Okay, so in our second image, we have the beautiful Rihanna, the iconic Rihanna, demoing her Fenty Beauty concealer. Now, this is such a beautiful image. We're already really drawn to it because, I mean, like, duh, Rihanna's in the image. But how can we make this even more visually interesting? So I have the perfect template for this image. So I'm just gonna go to the new page and I'm going to select this template here. So again, our templates can be customized for any case, any situation. You just get creative with it. Have the title giveaway, but it doesn't have to be used for that. This is just, placeholder text. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy and paste the beautiful Rihanna photo where she's demoing her concealer product from Fenty Beauty. And I'm gonna paste it into the frame here. I'm gonna paste another image of her into this frame, and then a third and final image into the last frame in this template. So we have 3 of the same images. You probably think I'm crazy for doing this, but just you wait. This is all gonna come together really nicely. So I'm just gonna get rid of this share this post, save this post elements. We don't need it in this image. And I'm also gonna get rid of the username. I'm actually gonna steal this title and heading, and I'm gonna paste it into this page. So let's just color the background black. Again, we're staying true to the Fenty Beauty branding. The dominant colors or shades that she's using for her brand is black and white. So we're just staying true to that. And I'm actually gonna change this eyebrow text to say long wear, and then we'll change the larger text to say concealer. So right off the bat, we're being a little more clear on what's being demoed from that image. So now that we have the context clearly stated, let's edit the image some more so we really show this is demoing the concealer. So this first image looks really nice. We see the full image as it was at the top. I'm actually gonna just scale the image so it's larger and more zoomed in on her eye area. And the image below, let's do the same. We'll make it larger, but this time we're gonna focus on the concealer bottle. From doing this, we now have 3 different visual cues on what we're focusing on and what we want the viewer to focus on. It's the concealer. We have our images laid out. That was super fast, I know. So again, just because we're keeping with the branding, we're stealing elements from other posts that we designed and placing it into this new page. So in this case, I'm stealing the gradient from the previous image and I'm just gonna paste it into this second image. And let's send it to the back. And there we go, we have our second image. That's pretty much it. So we're promoting the Longwear concealer. We, used a really cool layout to further showcase the product. I think I'm gonna just expand the height of this just a little more. That's our final image. Love it. It looks so good.